Hello everyone, this is Bamidele from the Leroy Studios. You welcome to another episode of Android Programming. We'll be looking at the Android Facebook integration. In this tutorial, we'll see how to integrate Facebook into your application by using the latest version of Facebook SDK for Android. Facebook SDK for Android makes it easier and faster to integrate. In this tutorial, we'll see how to add Facebook login feature to your application. This login provides a convenient and secure way for people to log into an app without having to go through a sign-up process. And we also have to see how to extract the user information from the login user and show on to the UI of the application. Okay, let's get rolling. The first step is to generate a Facebook hash key. We need that, very important. We do that through the command line. But before we go to the command line, we have to download the OpenSSL from this website. Let me show you the website you have to go to download the OpenSSL. It's the slproweb.com. They actually host a lot of SSL for Windows, 32-bit, 64-bit, and so on. But in this interface, you have to pick the specific bit of operating system that you are using. I'm actually using the scroll down. I'm actually using the 64-bit operating system, which you click on this. If you're actually using the 32, you click on the first one. You download the file, which I've downloaded fully here, if you can see it. And you run it just like the way you run any executable on the Windows operating system. So after doing that, there is a command you have to issue in your CMD, which is the command prompt. You launch your command prompt from the start menu. You type CMD. You click on the command prompt and this comes up. Actually, there is a line of code that you actually need to include in your command line, which says the key to the hyphen export certificate space hyphen alias space the Android debug key. You need your Android debug key. Where is it sitting at? You have to go through. Majorly, your Android debug key sits at your C drive, the users, the name of the user, and the .android folder. The user is Shade. The .android folder, once you click on the .android folder, you have your debug.keystore file. So this directory is very important for you to use in your command prompt. So the user profile up here will actually have the directory, which is up here, of the debug keystore. So it can actually carries the C directory, the backslash, the users, the name of the user, and the .android folder. So let me take you to my command prompt and see how to actually generate a hash key. Okay, if you're concentrating right on your screen, you can see I've already installed the OpenSSL Windows 64 in my C drive, which I will show to you quickly. This is my C drive. This is OpenSSL Windows 64. Once you click on it, there's a bin folder. That is the folder where we actually point to. You can see the OpenSSL Windows 64 / bin. I changed you change the directory into this directory. So from here you can call this command down here, the key to the export set alias Android debug key, the key store. My part to the key store is right specified, the space with a bar, another space, OpenSSL space with SHA one, one word, SHA1 with a space, hyphen, binary with a space, another bar with a space, open SSL with a space, base 64. Once you click your enter button, you have to specify a password. Once you initialize your password, you get your hash key. My hash key is right seated here. You copy it. For you to copy on Windows command prompt, you can right click and click on mark. So you put your pointer to the specific portion you need to copy. You highlight through and you copy. Once you copy, you save it in your notepad somewhere, because this is going to be used in the course of the application. That should be well taken care of. If you have any problem whatsoever in generating your hash key, you can leave a comment in my YouTube video session. I'll be glad to answer that. Okay, quickly. Once you're able to generate that, you move to the http developers.facebook.com/apps in your browser for you to add a new application. So I'll put you through on how to actually add a new application. I've already registered as a Facebook developer. If you haven't, your first page you get here is to register as a Facebook developer. Once you're able to do that, you move on to the add a new application. You click on your add a new application. Okay, you click add a new app. That's a new application. It comes up. Okay. You're gonna select Android because we are developing on an Android platform. Okay. Choose an existing app or type the name of a new app. I'm gonna do a new app because I have an existing app called My App, but I won't do that. I won't use that anyway. Let me Intuitive, the name of my new app. So I have to create a new Facebook app ID. You click on that. Okay. Is this a test version of another app? No. Let me choose a category for my app. Okay, entertainment. Create the app ID. Once that is done, okay, 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 I have to write, so I call it com Delroy Studios. That's the reverse domain of the package name of my application, Delroy Studios .intuitive. That's the name. Okay, this we go com Delroy Studios .intuitive, the main activity. Okay, that's fine. Click on next. Okay, that's